Today, I'm showing you how to change the ringtone on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to Sound Settings. Scroll down through the settings menu and look for sound, sound and vibration, or sounds and notifications. The exact name varies by device manufacturer. Tap on it to access sound settings. Step 3. Find Phone Ringtone. In the sound settings, scroll down until you find Phone Ringtone, Ringtone, or Call Ringtone. This controls what sound plays when someone calls you. Tap on it. Step 4. Browse ringtones. A list of available ringtones appears. You'll see default ringtones that came with your phone, downloaded ringtones, custom ringtones you've added. Scroll through the list to browse all available options. Step 5. Preview ringtones. Tap on any ringtone to hear a preview of what it sounds like. The ringtone will play for a few seconds so you can decide if you like it. Test several ringtones to find one you prefer. Step 6. Select your ringtone. Once you find a ringtone you like, tap on it to select it. A check mark or radio button might appear next to your selection. Step 7. Test your ringtone. To verify it worked, have someone call you or use another phone to call yourself. Your new ringtone should play when the call comes in. Additional sound settings. While in sound settings, you can also change notification sounds, alarm sounds, message tones, and system sounds. And that's it. You've successfully changed the ringtone on your Android device. Your phone will now play your chosen sound when someone calls you.